Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy, SpiderHood here, and let me take you on a road trip. I guess I'll be stuck here for a while, and now we fly. Yeah, I made it to the place I'm gonna stay at, and yeah, let's see how stuff will go tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow then. Yo, what is up, guys? Good morning. And now we keep grinding, and see what will go next. And yeah, here we go. So hungry.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't die, you'll make it.
Make it where? What? Where are we gonna eat anyway? Okay. Time to have a feast. So yeah. That was some good lunch. Just came here because one of my siblings are gonna, live here apparently. And it's kind of late right now, as you can see, California time. And yeah, see you guys when I get to my Airbnb. And yeah, before that, let me show you something. Like, one of my siblings got a collector's edition Lord of the Rings like movie collection, where it has like the guy from the Ninja Turtles who plays Raphael. I mean that guy's pretty cool. Just wish he should have appeared in Injustice too, but I guess not. But yeah, guys, look at all these 4 movies. That's just crazy. First time seeing a collector's edition, and first time owning a collector's edition for the first time in my life. Just crazy. I mean, it's been let's just say, a dream of mine to, own a collector's edition. But yeah, that's just freaking crazy, man. I finally have a collector's edition in my hand. Like, that is wild. Like, completely wild. Yeah, like, I'm just completely shocked. Yo, what is up, guys? Good morning again. And yeah, forgot to do a time lapse like last night. And yeah, let's see how my day goes and see where I'll go from there. But yeah, let's go. Going to Target, and yeah, see you guys soon. Just got back from Target, and look what I see. There's like freaking Bambi from the Bambi movie. Like, what the heck? You guys see that right there, right? Check that out, guys. Like, what the heck? Pretty cool. There's Bambi right there.
Oregon, did I tell you?
It's small over here. That's like probably Bambi's cousin, bro.
Look, Bambi, look
like,
at that.
damn, bro.
Oh my God, over there. There's more over there.
Oh yeah, and there's Bambi's other cousin.
Wait. Oh my God.
Like, what the heck?
Hold on.
I just got back from Target, and this is what I see. Freaking Bambi's cousin, bro. Like, what the heck? That is crazy. Dang it. Totally forgot to record earlier. Bruh. But, yeah. This sucks. So, I guess tomorrow, I'm gonna head to the airport. And, yeah. See you guys back. Oh, yeah. Today's the day, guys. I am heading back. And yeah, see you guys at the airport. But before that, guys, look at this basketball court. You know what this reminds me of? Freaking High School Musical type stuff. Like, what the heck? Look at all this place, bruh. That is crazy. Like, this basketball court looks kind of like that High School Musical Wildcats basketball court. Like, yo, it's like I'm living inside of freaking Disney Channel. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, guys, just had to make a quick stop to the woods, you know, just to walk for a little bit. But like, look at all this. It's all green. It's like I'm in an actual like Star Wars set or something from like, I don't know what movie, or even better, like from Jurassic Park. So, but yeah, that's just crazy. Look at this tree, like all these trees are like so tall, and hopefully I don't run into creepy crap, you know what I mean? Like creepy, like horror stuff that I've been seeing, like those theories or something like that. Hopefully that's not true. And yeah, I'm like in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, hopefully I can find my way back. But yeah, hopefully I find my way back. Kind of ran into some joggers that just come up here and, you know, run, because, you know, they have tournaments. But, yeah, anyways, let's keep going and try to see what we could find. And yeah, what the heck? So I have no idea where I'm going right now, but it looks like there's nothing over there, nothing over here. It's just all grass. But I gotta be careful, because like some of them could be like poisonous for my skin. Like, if they could give me rash or whatever, you know what I mean? But yeah, I gotta be careful with that. And yeah, so yeah, let's keep on going. Well, yeah. Oh my god, it stinks. It stinks out here in the woods. But finally, I made it. Let's freaking go. So yeah, that was like a long, very long trip. Well, not trip, but like a very long way out. And yeah, finally, I'm back now. So yeah, let's continue this road trip. So yeah, guys, it's already the next day, but yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, without further ado, SpiderHood out. See y'all in the next adventure. Peace.